Hi everyone, I'm Alan from D-Link and I'm introducing today a series of new videos that we're putting together for the Electric Wholesalers channel. We're going to be putting together some basic networking videos for you guys to get you started and enable you to better sell D-Link products.
We want to be able to show you some of the products in the range, ranging from some of our smaller business switches to 4G and 5G products, and just to give you a bit of an idea of what these devices can bring and what they can offer yourselves and your customers and how they can help with connectivity needs.
As we move through the videos, we'll get slightly more complicated as we move up the products. So as Mark said, we'll start with some of the basic stuff and then we'll move into the smart switch and PoE arena as the videos go on. Thanks for joining. Hopefully you stick around for the next video.